Epson XP-6100 Printer Review. In this review, we will be discussing in details about the Epson XP-6100 printer available in the market today. This review was created based on my viewpoints as well as the cost situation in the market. So whether you need Epson XP-6100 printer, this review will show the products available for that. If you want more information and price, please check the product link below the description. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. Printer Ever presents Epson XP-6100 Printer Review. Let's get started.
This video shows you how to connect your Epson printer to a wireless network. In this demonstration, you will be using the printer's control panel to select wireless settings. Before you start, make sure you have a wireless network already set up. Your network may include one or more computers or devices and an internet modem connected to a router. Before making a connection, make sure that your router is wireless. Now let's set up your Epson printer and add it to your network. When you're done, you'll be able to print wirelessly from your computer. You can add the ability to print from another computer later on. Follow the steps on the Start Here sheet. The Start Here sheet shows you how to physically set up your printer. When you get here, install your printer software. If you are using a Windows computer, insert the CD that came with your printer. If you are using a Mac or your computer does not have a CD or DVD drive, download and run the product's software package from the Epson support site. When you see this screen, click Install. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the software. This can take several minutes. At this screen, select Wireless Connection and click Next. At this screen, select Set up Printer for the first time and click Next. If the installer is able to detect your wireless settings, you see this screen, select Yes and click Next, then follow the rest of the on-screen instructions. The installer will automatically connect the product to your network, and your setup is now complete. If the installer is unable to detect your wireless settings, you see this screen. Select Using Control Panel and click Next. You will need your wireless network's name and password in order to set up your printer. This information will automatically appear on the screen if your computer is connected to a wireless network. Click Show Network Password to display the password. Then, copy down the wireless network name and password exactly as shown. When you're done, click Next. When you see this screen, look at your printer's control panel. Press the Home button. Press the up arrow button and the right arrow button to select the network icon. Then press OK. Press OK to select Wi-Fi recommended. Press OK to select Start Setup. Then press OK again to select Wi-Fi Setup Wizard. Press the up or down arrow button to select your network's name. Then press OK. Press OK again to select the Enter Password field. Next, enter your wireless password. Press the arrow buttons to highlight a character, then press OK to select it. If your password contains upper or lowercase letters, be sure to enter them in the correct case. Select this icon to enter uppercase letters. Or select this icon to enter numbers or symbols. Select this icon to enter a space. Select this icon to delete characters. When you're done entering your password, select OK. When you see this screen, press the down arrow button to select Start Setup, then press OK. Your printer is connected to your wireless network. Follow the rest of the instructions on the computer screen to finish installing the software. You are now ready to print wirelessly. If you want to print from another Windows computer, insert the CD that came with your printer. If you are using a Mac or your computer does not have a CD or DVD drive, download and run the product's software package from the Epson support site. At this screen, select "The printer is already on my wireless network." Follow the rest of the instructions on the computer screen to install the software. You can repeat this process for additional computers. You are now ready to print wirelessly from your computers.